Hello students, how are you all? This is class 6 social science civics chapter 3rd our government last and third video. In first and second video what you have learned? You have learned about the government, functions of the government, levels of government, sources of income and about the taxes. In this you are going to study what? Forms of government and universal adult franchise. Now, do you know how many types of governments are there? There are 3 types of government. Number first is monarchy. Now, about monarchy, do you know? You all must heard many stories with your grandparents or parents in your childhood days. Do you know kings and queens, which type of government they were? That type of government were called monarchy. Monarchy is a form of government which is headed by a king or a queen. It is mainly a hereditary form of government, so power passes from one generation to another in the same family. A monarch heads the government of a country and he is assisted by a council of ministers. Monarchy in ancient India was sovereignty over a territory by a king who functioned as its protector, a role which involved both secular and religion power. Number second is dictatorship. Do you know the meaning of dictatorship? A dictatorship is a government where people have no right, no freedom. Even they cannot express their opinions as they like. In a dictatorship, the people are not free to elect their government or change it according to their desire. Dictatorship is a form of government in which all the powers rest with one individual, the dictator. Dictatorship is very oppressive. Dictators usually come to power through some kind of violent struggle rather than the peaceful passage of power that we take for granted in the United States. You won't find a dictator who calls himself a dictator. Instead, dictators have ordinary titles such as president, emperors, great leaders, and similar monikers. Do you know students about Adolf Hitler? Adolf Hitler was one of the most infamous dictators in world history. Adolf Hitler was a German politician and leader of the Nazi Party. He rose to power as the Chancellor of Germany in 1933 and then in Führer in 1934. During his dictatorship from 1933 to 1945, he initiated World War II in Europe by involving Poland on 1st September 1939. A dictatorship is a form of government where one person or political party has the power to do whatever they want. This type of ruler is called a dictator. Now, third is democracy. The most popular form of government today is democracy. It is a form of government where people participate in the governance of the country. Now, in democracy, there are 2 types: direct democracy and representative democracy. Direct democracy, in this, the people in a country directly participate in the governance. However, direct democracy is possible only in those countries where its population is less. In a direct democracy, the decisions are not taken by the representatives. All decisions are voted by the people. When a budget or law needs to be passed, then the idea goes to the people. Switzerland is a rare example of a country with instruments of direct democracy at the levels of the municipalities, cantons, and federal state. Next is representative democracy. It is also known as indirect democracy. Representative democracy is a type of democracy founded on the principle of elected officials. In it, the power is in the hands of the representatives who are elected by the people. A representative democracy is a system of government in which all eligible citizens vote on representatives to pass laws for them. Representatives are chosen by citizens to serve in legislative bodies and to voice their concern to the government. Next is universal adult franchise. Do you know, student? Universal adult franchise. It is known as democracy. A democracy is successful only when the citizens have the right to vote. All citizens of India above 18 years of age have the right to vote. Universal adult franchise is a significant feature of the Indian democracy. Universal suffrage franchise gives the rights to all citizens regardless of wealth, income, gender, social status, race, or any other restrictions subject only to relatively minor expectations. The Article 326 defines a universal adult franchise as the basis for elections to all levels of the elected government. In a democracy, universal adult franchise is important as it is based on the idea of equality. Voting is a fundamental right of any citizen that enables them to choose the leader of tomorrow. In our India, which type of government is there? There is democratic type of government. Okay, students? A democratic system of government is a form of government in which supreme power is vested in the people and exercised by them directly or indirectly through a system of representatives, usually involving periodic free election. A democratic government is a stable government because it is based on public support. The administration is conducted with a sense of responsibility. In representative democracy, people representatives discuss matters more thoroughly and take reasonable decisions. Okay, students, thank you.